Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the lower freezer door hinge on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Your first step is to detach the lower grill and use a 7/16" wrench to depress the retaining ring to release the dispenser water supply line from the coupler. Cut the tape securing the water line spring and slide the spring off. Next, use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the top door hinge cover. Slide the cover forward to remove. Disconnect the wire connector and use a 1/4" socket or nut driver to unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. Support the door and use a 3/8" socket or wrench to unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the hinge. Lift the hinge straight up and over the wires. Now have an assistant help you to lift the door off of the lower hinge. Lift the door closing cam off of the hinge pin. Use a 3/8" socket to unthread the 2 bolts to release the old hinge. Install the new door hinge by aligning it on the frame. Then thread and tighten the 2 bolts. Align the closing cam on the lower hinge pin and apply some additional lubricant to the cam. Reinstall the door by feeding the water line through the hinge as you position the door on the hinge pin. Reinstall the top hinge by sliding it over the wires, then align it on the door. Thread the 2 mounting screws to secure. Reconnect the wire connector and secure the grounding wire under the screw. Realign the hinge cover and thread the screw to secure. Reposition the dispenser water supply line spring approximately 2 inches from the end of the line. Then use tape to secure the spring. Insert the end of the water line into the coupler until fully seated. Realign the grill and snap it into place. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.